Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video we will learn how to draw a koala. Koala are the very cutest animal, and here we will draw a koala who is hugging the branch of a tree. In this video we will learn how to draw a dancing cartoon. Do you remember this cartoon? This is a pig and you should know the name. Yes, you can guess it. So here we have done it. And in next video, we will learn how to draw a Pikachu. Pikachu is a Pokemon and it is one of the favorites of each children. You can color it with the yellow color. Here, we will learn how to draw a cute, pretty cat with a ribbon. It's a furry cat though. That's why we are doing lines like this. These are the very curvy lines. We have drawn here the big, long, flappy ears, the ribbon, the lower part, and a cute, fluffy tail. And here, you can color it with your favorite color. Here in this video we will learn how to draw Hello Kitty with a cute ribbon. Hello Kitty is the very cutest kittens in all over the cartoons. We have drawn here the whiskers, the eyes and the hands of the Hello Kitty, and now it is completed. In this video, we will learn how to draw a teddy bear. Everyone loves teddy bear. And you can color it with your favorite color, whatever you have, brown, purple, pink. So here I'm gonna color with my favorite color, that is blue. In this video, we will learn how to draw a baby giraffe. You know what is a baby giraffe called? It is called a calf. So, whenever you see a picture of a baby giraffe, you'll call a calf. In this video, we will learn how to draw Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh is a yellow color bear who eats honey a lot. So here, you need to color it with the red and the whole body with the yellow. In this video, we will learn how to draw a cat. So here, with the help of a round circle, we'll go for the face, the two eyes, ears, whiskers, and the lower body and the tail. So you can make strips also if you like. In this video, we will learn how to draw a cartoon which is inside the glass holding a lime or a lemon. Isn't it cute and interesting to draw this? Here we will learn how to draw a bunny who is sitting on a carrot. It's a very easy process and it's looking too cute, right? In this video, we will learn how to draw a kitten paw. Kitten paw are very cute to draw, and thank you for watching.